guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amy, or Amylouise, and today we are opening up another Lookfantastic box. This is the monthly subscription box. I'm going to open this and see what we've got. Okay, so this is a beautiful lavender box and it says Rosie Connolly on it. I don't know who Rosie Connolly is, I'll be honest. Inside it says beauty comes from within. When you feel good, it makes you look good on the outside too. Hashtag LF Beauty Box. Cute. I am an affiliate of Lookfantastic. I do have a discount code for you guys, which will be on the screen somewhere. It is LFTF Amylouise. And there is a little card. So it says, to our lovely beauty box subscribers, we hope you love this month's beauty box in collaboration with influencer Rosie Connolly. In order to bring you the best magazine possible this August, we filled with lots of content from Rosie herself. We made the decision to make the magazine digital only. To read it, simply scan the QR code below with your phone camera. Love from the beauty box team. Okay, that's different. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the contents. Let's grab my phone. Let's do the QR scanner. Open it up. It says catalogue not found. Okay, can we try that again? So it's scanning, and again it says 404 not found, no such key, the specified key does not exist, key beauty box 2021 August, and then a lot of letters and numbers. Great start. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to go from what I pull out. The first product is Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. Actually cleans hair, eliminates oil, sweat and odour. Okay, I love a good dry shampoo. Wow, that's powerful. It smells floral. I don't have greasy hair today, so I can't try this, but I will try it out and hopefully let you know in a future video what I think of that. I don't have an issue getting dry shampoo. I've got it a few different times in different subscription boxes. I keep them. They're good to have in like your handbag and stuff. Yeah, no issue there. Next we've got Percy and Reed, another brand I've never heard of. Hold It Right There Stronghold Hairspray. Okay, so I like to stay in shape from dawn till dusk with our surprisingly strong ultrafine hairspray. Gone are the days of crunchy hairspray. This weightless mist provides strong hold while retaining natural movement. Superfine mist, suitable for all hair types, strong hold and heat and humidity protection, retains natural movement that stays in place without the crunch. Okay, this is silicone free, sulfate free, vegan friendly, gluten free, heat protected. Heat protection. That is a nice mist, I will be honest, that is a nice mist. But not everybody uses hairspray. When I do use hairspray, which is very rarely, it is always the got to be glued hairspray, like the super hold hairspray. That is what I use. I like that like structure that you get from that, and because my hair is naturally textured and I do get flyaways and I have like a lot of baby hairs around my hairline, I like something that's like strong. I'll have to try that at some point, but I really don't see the point of putting a hairspray in a subscription box. But that's just me. Next we have a glove. So the brand is Glove. Home Spa Mask Remover Effortless Beauty. Innovative fibre technology removes cosmetic masks with water. The last time I got something Glove, I've actually really enjoyed it. I got the lip, where is it? The lip exfoliator, the little pink lip scrub. I really enjoy that. I use that most days. This is again a little glove. It is soft. It's almost, is this microfiber? It feels microfiber. That's nice. I mean, I don't see why you can't just use a regular like flannel face cloth. I literally had a mask on last night and I didn't even use flannel. I just wet my hands and like massaged it in. It was the Aztec clay mask. Literally like dries like cement on your face, and then I literally just dunked my hands in water, massaged it in, and slowly wiped it that way. I like to do that with most masks. If not, I'll use a face cloth. I'll use it, but I'll probably just use it as like a regular flannel rather than like a specific mask remover. Okay. Like, whoa, what is this? This is like, it looks like a baby ball. So this is the AHC Natural Essential Mask. Aqua Nourishing and hydrating for dry and rough skin. Hydrolyzed vegetable protein, glycerin from soybeans, and 100% natural cotton. There is a lot on the back of here that I do not understand because it is in some Asian language. I'm not sure which. Korean, Chinese, I don't know. I'm thinking maybe Korean with it being skincare. I mean, skincare and Korea kind of just go hand in hand, don't they? But I wouldn't want to assume too much. Let's have a look at the ingredients. So first ingredient, like the highest concentration, is water. After that is glycerin, and then caprylic. I can't say the next word, but I know it's a good ingredient. So the top three ingredients are great. Niacinamide, I'm happy. Xylitol alcohol, yep. Okay. There is some like bump in here, like the xanthan gum, that's just like a thickening agent. Caffeine, I like caffeine in my skincare. Allotonin, that's good. Yeah, this actually looks really good. There is a lot of ingredients. Squalane, there's squalane in here. That makes me very happy. I love squalane. I literally use it every single day. Love squalane. Vegetables, protein. Yeah, this looks really nice. Centella asiata extract. Yeah, these are looking really good. Yeah, I'm actually excited to give this one a go. There is Lidl in here, which, you know, but yeah, this looks good. It says mild essence derived from natural ingredients, contains essence made from 93% natural ingredients, including glycerin from soybeans, glycerin soya, protein and hyaluronized vegetable protein, provides a rich nutrient for healthy and radiant skin. Moisturizing ingredients, aquaceramide, love it. Delivers intense hydration, smooth skin without feeling stickiness. It is 100% cotton sheet mask. Mask using Europe's Ecotex Standard 100 Class 1 certified pure cotton. Fits smoothly and lightly onto the skin. Okay, sheet mask. I'm really excited to try this one. I think my lights are just like completely washing the packaging out, but yeah, this looks good. I will definitely be giving that one a go. Not tonight because I'm at work until super late. It's literally like 4 o'clock now and I'm about to start work at 5, so you can only imagine what time I leave. So I'm not gonna be doing that tonight. This, ooh, I've got some Ciate. So this is the Ciate Glow to Illuminizing Blush. Ooh. Yes, please. Let's open this up. So I'm guessing this is just one of their little like mini samples. It's tiny, but I do, oh, that is so cute. It's like a little flower. Let me find my blush brush. I honestly don't think you need to go wild on like pan sizes for blush. That's nice. It's not super pigmented, but it's nice, and it's not too glowy. I literally just did my makeup, like literally just now. I could have waited. That's nice. It's not super glowy that I can see, but it does leave like a nice sheen on the skin. I really do need to try more Ciate products. My friend Kerry absolutely loves Ciate. Yeah, cool, cute. But it's so small. So yeah, this is a long wear skin brightening blush. What shade is this in there? I'm not sure what the shade is. It does say Matchmaker, really tiny up here, but I'm not sure if that is the name of the blush. But it is cute, and I am happy that I've got it. The last product is the, oh Christ, Ahava, A-H-A-V-A, Ahava, I don't know, smoothing body lotion, superfood, kale and turmeric. Super recipe, nourishing the skin, apply liberally onto clean skin after shower. I've said this so many times. I am always up for a moisturizer, even if it's one that I'm not particularly, ooh, that smells very clean. I'm not like super excited about. I will use it up because I go through so much moisturizer. I will probably be using this one as a hand cream. Honestly, it's in the perfect kind of size as a hand cream. I'll be able to keep it on my desk, and because I do have contact dermatitis on my hand, I go through so much hand cream. It is unreal. It's light, it's lightweight, it feels really nice actually. It's almost fully soaked in already, and it looks to have lessened the scaliness of my hand. Now most moisturizers do that. I've got a few that just don't touch my my scaly hand, but when it's always like white and crusty almost on the palm of my right hand. If I can put a moisturizer on and it smooths that out while it's, you know, like soaking in, I know it's going to be a good one, and that's what that's done. You can see I have got discoloration, but it's always discolored, and then usually I have like a layer over the entire palm where it is like white and flaky and scaly. I've not put any cream in on my hand in a good hour. So that is a really good sign. The kale and turmeric don't exactly wow me. Let's just have a look at the ingredients. So we've got aqua as the main ingredient, and it is mineral spring water. Okay, cool. Alcohol, okay. Glycerin, nice. Dimethicant, perfume, lanolin. None of these ingredients are jumping out at me particularly well. We have got sulfates in here, we've got citric acid, acid sodium benzoate. Oh, we've got aloe in here, which is just from the leaf juices. Witch hazel, okay, turmeric. We have the kale leaf extract, Maris aqua, Dead Sea water. Okay. Okay, I mean, the ingredients don't scream out to me as being like exceptional or anything. Like they're kind of just bog standard moisturizers. What does it smell like again? It smells clean. Like it smells like a really good clean green smoothie. I don't know if that makes any sort of sense at all. That is not overpowering. It just smells really, oh, put it on my It just smells really clean and veggie. Almost, you know, like when you've got like greeny leafy veggies and like you smell them, it has that kind of smell. Which, what did I say it was? Kale and turmeric. The kale wood, it does have that kind of kale-y, it's not really kale, it's just like green leafy vegetable smell. It smells decent, like it's not, you know, the best smell in the world, but it's not awful. It just smells really clean, basically. That is everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products as usual. That is everything for this box. I now have to go to work. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Did you get this box? What do you think? Do you love the products? Do you see the point in the 2 sprays? Because I mean, I love the dry shampoo, but the hairspray, nah, not really. For a collaboration box, I was kind of expecting a little more, I'm gonna be honest, but overall I am happy that I got this. It is a cute box and I will use all the products in it. If you want to use my discount code, again, it is in the link down below, the description box down below. It is in every single one of my videos. You can use that just shopping. You can use it to get money off your subscription if you decide to sign up for the Lookfantastic beauty box. But yeah, that is everything for today and I will see you on the next one. Bye.